So let me first say that you can also do this effect in After Effects if you have the Sapphire and Universe plugin in After Effects. So if you use a different program like Final Cut or something, no worries, you can still do this effect. But first you want to add Sapphire Texture Plasma. I'm just going to put the default one. And then where it says Combine, put it on Multiply. And there you can see you get that little plasma effect. And next you want to go to the Universe plugin and find Glow Highlights. This is what brings all the cool shit to life. Like all the white here, it's going to highlight that. What I usually do is bump up the contrast, and that's when you get that shininess, depending on how shiny you want it. You can also lower the intensity or higher it. Yeah, just mess around with it. Decide how blurry. This could be cool too, if you want it really sharp. Yeah, and that's basically it, the effect. You could also use other plugins in the background. And by that I mean other textures. So let's say you want to use this for some reason. You will go ahead and put that in Multiply. You get the same kind of thing, just a different animation in the background. And yeah, that's pretty much it with this effect. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and if you have any requests, you know where to find me.